Hello Paris lovers, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you 5 fantastic photography spots in Paris. To get the first spot, we need to take the metro because it's right inside the Paris metro. So stay with me for a breathtaking scene. Attention to this station, that is Bir-Hakeim.
Bir-Hakeim, Tour Eiffel.
Alight here for the Eiffel Tower.
That is here. Okay guys, here we are at Passy station. We need to get off from this station to head to our second spot. So stay with me. The second location is very close to this metro station. Okay. The second spot is on the Bir-Hakeim Bridge. It's one of the best photography spots in Paris because it's very quiet and offers a great view of the Eiffel Tower. Here is a nice area to change your mood. Whenever I'm in Paris and need a break, I come here, take a walk and enjoy the view of the Eiffel Tower. This is a great view, especially at sunrise. To reach the third spot, we need to walk up a slight incline. This is also one of my favorite spots in Paris. This spot has an amazing view of the Eiffel Tower. It's also a great place for romantic photography. Yeah, it's really crowded, but I recommend coming very early in the morning, before 9 AM maybe, because it's much quieter than. Okay, let's talk about the final spot. The best time for this spot is during the sunrise or sunset. As you can see, the Eiffel Tower perfectly clear. So come along with me to check out this location, okay? Alright, this is the end of our tour today. For more video, please like and subscribe my channel as I need your support to keep making more content in the future. Also, please leave your comments and feedback. And if you have any question, feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to help you. À bientôt.